If you're upgrading your PC right now and looking for a seriously powerful CPU cooler that not only performs but also looks absolutely awesome, then stick around. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the new Kraken Elite RGB, a real showstopper with a built-in display and tons of power under the hood. Let's find out together if it's actually worth the money. So let's start with the design. And wow, it really makes a statement. NZXT gave the Kraken a large circular LCD display that not only looks sharp, but is also super functional. You can show system info like temperatures or load levels, but also upload your own GIFs, images, or even small animations. It looks amazing, especially with the stylish RGB ring around it. The radiator itself measures about 14.2 inches and is made of aluminum. Solid, proven, and efficient. 3 in-house F360R GB core fans provide the necessary airflow. These spin at up to 2,400 IRPM and push a serious amount of air. Perfect for high-performance CPUs, even when things heat up during gaming or rendering. Then there's the pump. It's quiet, reliable, and features an improved design to handle long sessions without a problem. Cooling is handled via liquid, and the tubes are sturdy and well-made, wrapped in a sleek braided sleeve that blends nicely into any build. Another big plus is the software. Using NZXT's cam tool, you can control the fans, display, and lighting, all through a clean, easy-to-use interface. However, there's a catch. You do rely on the software quite a bit. Without cam, many features aren't accessible, which might be a downside for some users. But honestly, if you want a setup that's not only quiet and powerful, but also a true visual centerpiece, it's hard to look past the Kraken. So, what are the strengths and weaknesses of the Kraken Elite R? GB. Pros is extremely strong cooling performance, even for high-end CPUs. Huge, customizable display with excellent resolution. High-quality RGB fans with quiet operation, compatible with all major Intel and AMD sockets. Fantastic design and build quality. Cons, pretty high price. Dependence on CAM software. Cable management is slightly more complicated due to the display. If you're looking for a premium cooler that not only performs exceptionally well, but is also a real eye-catcher inside your case, the Kraken Elite is exactly what you need. Be sure to check the product links in the video description. There are often great deals, and if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next review.